All right, I did something. And, oh, tell me your thoughts. It's coming right now. Okay. So what I did was this. Check this out. Right here, you see all the crap? And what we have here is, my God, you see that? So, hooked onto that magnet. So, this goes back up under there. In case it's needed again. It's sturdy, it's not going to fall. I'll put it somewhere else, but I couldn't think of it anywhere else. But I've been sitting on it for like 4 years, and I have never used it, so I figured I'd try it out. So, tell me what you think, man. You like that, Junks, or what? Again, bang, bang, underneath for storage. You can also have a quiet release, somewhat quiet release, so, I don't know, maybe you can rubberize the inside or something, maybe, to insulate it. But it also holds it firm enough to cock it too, so you can cock it. So if you like it, if you got shot and couldn't use your other arm, you could put it in there. You could cock it; it'll hold it for you. So hey, something to think about, man. Something to think about.